Are you gonna sneeze?
Two.
Whoa, bless you. That's a lot of pepper. Is it?
Two.
Oh, bless you. Is the pepper gonna make you sneeze?
Two.
Wow. That was a lot of pepper.
Two.
Whoa, that was a big one.
Two.
Bless you. Bless you. Is it gonna make you go, huh? Huh? Huh?
Two.
What does pepper make you do?
A bottle.
You want a bottle?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Who do you want to make the bottle for you?
Cocky.
Charlie?
Shishan.
Keisha?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Mommy.
I'm daddy. That's mommy.
Cocky. Mommy. Daddy. Mommy.
Anybody make you a bottle, huh?
Except for Keisha.
You don't want to eat? You rather have a bottle?
Yeah. Cocky. Mommy. Cocky. Mommy.
Here, you want to put some pepper on your food? Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, I want more.
The salt?
Yeah. Yeah, Becky.
Here's the salt.
Oh, yeah.
Put a little salt on your food. All right, that's enough.
No, try again.
No, that's plenty of salt on your food.
Try again.
What is the pepper making you do?
Try again.
What is the pepper doing to your nose?
Two. Two. Now try again.
You want some more salt?
Yeah, more salt.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. Whoa, not too much. Good job.
No, try again.
What's wrong with it? How come it's not coming out?
Can you please keep your mouth closed
It's coming out.
Now it'll come out? Hold on, let me close it a little bit so you don't get too much. All right. There. There you go. If you do that, you'll get too much salt.
Let me push it.